Elites Empire, legit nga ba? And my answer is a big yes, legit ang Elites Empire. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin, ano nga ba yung Elites Empire, kumikita nga ba dyan, sino ang founder, ano ng community yan, and maraming mga nagtatanong kasi, ngayon ang goal ko is mas ma-enlighten because I don't really believe na walang taong negative, it's just they are uneducated. So ngayon, I want to congratulate you because alam ko nandito ka dahil gusto mong maging educated. Ano nga ba ang Elites Empire? Kasi alam ko nasawa ka na sa life mo, gusto mong kumita, gusto mong mag-build ng business, and naghahanap ka ng right community or right company. Saan nga ba magiging sulit yung pera na ilalabas mo? And maybe nakita mo tong video na to kasi meron nang nakapag-present sa'yo ng Elites Empire or nakita mo sa mga posts, sa Reels, sa TikTok, sa Facebook, and nasa tamang video ka because dito, i-discuss ko sa'yo anong Elites Empire, paano ito makakatulong sa'yo, and gaano ka-legit yung community ng Elites Empire. So, let's go to our topic. What is Elites Empire? Yan, Elites Empire isa po tong community na under ng isang MLM or multi-level marketing or known as network marketing company. Ito yung strategy ng mga company na kung saan imbis nadadaan pa sila sa regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer, tas before pa mapunta yung products nila, ginawa nila direct selling. So in short, this is known as direct selling. From factory to the company, diretso siya sa distributor and sa consumer. So parang yung Coke, di ba yung Coke? Sa manufacturer, piso lang siya. Pero pag dumating sa'yo, magkano na? Because may mga patong na siya na dumating. But dito, diretso siya. Wala na nagaganap na middleman. Ikaw na mismo, diretso sa'yo. So, paano ba kumikita sa multi-level marketing? So, ang Elites Empire is a marketing arm under AIM Global or Empowered Consumerism, which is existing for 18 long years. Yes, because kapag sasali ka ng network marketing, you need to consider the stability. Gaano nakatagal? Yes, meron pong networking na mga scam at meron pong legit. And congrats! Because Empowered Consumerism or AIM Global is a trusted company. Why? AIM Global is one of the highest taxpayers sa buong Philippines. There's a time that it is recommended by our very own former President Duterte. Yes, nung time na nagkaroon ng anniversary. So you need to consider the stability ng isang company, gaano na sila katagal, no? Kamusta yung nagbabayad ba yan ng tax? Pro-distributor ba yan or pro-company? In good news, the company itself is a pro-distributor. Kaya marami pong yumayaman sa Empowered Consumerism. Imagine mo, there's 2 to 3 millionaires a day and more than 18,000 millionaires na ang na-create ng AIM Global or Empowered Consumerism. And what's nice with MLM, imbis na mag-hire sila ng artista to advertise kasi po sila kumikita sila, influencers, artista through brands. Yes, they advertise, di ba? Yung sinashoutout pa nila, mga commercials, yan dyan sila kumikita. So, dito, hindi mo kailangan mag-hire ng artista. Ikaw yourself. Kaya for example, yung mga distributor, may kumikita talaga ng milyon. 6 figures to 7 figures because they advertise the product itself. Pero hindi sila artista. So, yun yung kinagandahan ng multi-level marketing. And nire-recommend to ng mga known persons like Robert Kiyosaki, Anthony Robbins, Brian Tracy, and many more. So that's the concept of multi-level marketing. And yes, may legit, merong hindi. So you need to check. Kung sasali ka na network marketing, titignan mo gaano na sila katagal. And let's go back to our topic, Elites Empire. So Elites Empire is a marketing arm under the company of Empowered Consumerism. And para ka kumita dito, magbibuild ka ng team. So you need to consider yung leadership ng tao. Sino yung mentors? Di ba? So nagustuhan ko, bukod sa maganda yung company, sino ba yung founder? And the founder of Elites Empire is Empress Pearl Hong. She's an influencer, a motivational speaker here in the Philippines, an author, and also a beauty queen. And last 2018, she won Miss World Second Princess. And last 2023, siya po ang Miss Global Philippines, and isa rin po siya sa mga nanalo internationally. So, pinadala siya mismo ng country natin to represent, di ba, Philippines sa Miss Global last 2023. So, yung founder pa lang itself, nakita ko na apakaganda niya na good example. Because again, in network marketing, you need to consider the mentor. Sino yung mag-guide sa'yo? May mga hindi kumita. Bakit? Kasi yung mentor nila itself, minsan wala. Minsan meron, pero hindi ganun ka-resourceful. And one of the reason bakit nagustuhan ko yung Elites Empire, because the mentor itself, maganda yung heart niya. Maganda yung mission and vision niya. And isa sa mga propagandas niya, nung naging beauty queen siya, is to help people when it comes to financial literacy. So doon ko nakita yung beauty nung community itself. Nakita ko yung culture, nakita ko yung system and the mentor. Again, kung consider mo, sinabi ko, company, mentor, and last but not the least is the community itself at ano yung sistema nila. At dito ko nakita na binigyan ako ng blueprint, ng roadmap, ano yung gagawin ko. And naging matalino ako kasi sabi ko, dapat matuturo ko to sa tao, nakatapos siya or hindi. And good news, yun yung napakita sa akin na roadmap. Kaya po, isa rin po ako sa kumita dito sa Elites Empire. And going back to the community of Elites Empire, they focus not in the business itself, but the personality development ng isang tao. So, yung holistic growth, tinatakal din yan. Yung practices na meron ka because they believe the income that you have is the domino effect ng practices na meron ka as a person. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko. Aside from the business itself, aside from the kitaan, is sino ka magiging along the way. And masikot ko lang din, doon sa company nila, ang ganda na mission vision ng company because percentage na kinikita ng distributor is napupunta po sa foundation. So, meron silang tinatawag na Alive Foundation. So, meron siya, tumutulong siya, of course, pag may mga bagyo, of course, yung mga, sa mga students, they empower Filipinos. And good news, the company itself is international. So, they are not just catering the Filipino, but again, it's Filipino-owned. Hindi po taga-ibang bansa, Filipino-owned. And of course, they are licensed under the SEC. So, and if you will ask me, may nag-invite ba sa akin? Actually, ako mismo, yung naghanap ng isang network marketing company because nabasa ko siya sa Business of the 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki, or kilala siya na siya yung author mismo ng Rich Dad Poor Dad. So, doon tinakal about network marketing. Again, may nag-exist na hindi, na maganda, may nag-exist na okay. And good news, na sa tamang community ka if you will join Elites Empire. And I know, kaya mo rin ito nakita because you wanna put out a business. And katulad mo ako din, gusto ko din talaga magnegosyo. Alam ko na wala sa pagtatrabaho ang success na long term. Katulad mo, long term din ako nag-isip. So, nung magtatayo ako ng negosyo, ang daming things to consider. Operational expenses, inventory, logistics, business model, legality. So, ang dami. Doon pa lang magkano na yung ilalabas mo. And at the same time, hindi ka pa sure. Kasi meron ako narinig na kailangan mag-put ng 9 businesses and 2 doon ang magiging successful lang. So, kamusta yung 7? So, ako, since hindi naman ganun kalaki yung kapital ko, wala naman ako mga miliyan. So, ito yung ginawa ko. Nakita ko yung network marketing and design siya, naisip siya ng mga taong mayayaman. Paano sila makakatulong sa mga middle class na tao sa concept na kumikita sila, like franchising. So, ginawa nila, doon sila nagkaroon ng idea. That's why na-put ang network marketing. So, ako myself, before ako mag-join, inalam ko ano ba yung history ng network marketing and naging wise ako. Ano yung papanoorin ko at sino yung papakinggan ko. And then, there you go. Yung mga kailangan mo i-consider, sila nagagawa for you. Again, operational expenses, logistics, legalities, sa kanila nila. Ang gagawin mo na lang is magbe-build ka ng team. Yun yung goal ng multi-level marketing. And there are 3 types ng tao na nagjo-join dito. Number 1, they are user. Number 2, they are sellers. They wanna sell the products. And number 3, they are the network builder, which is nandoon yung tinatawag na leveraging business. And doon expert ang Elites Empire when it comes to network building. Because pag magne-network ka, again, magbe-build ka ng team, kailangan mo i-consider yung nagme-mentor sa'yo. And what's nice with Elites Empire, they have a platform, meron silang system. That's why they created 146th millionaire already in the span of less than 3 years na nag-exist ang team under the 18 years company ng AIM Global. At marami na rin nagkaroon ng sasakyan. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa sistema ng Elites Empire, hindi na po ito yung traditional network marketing na pupunta ka ng McDo, mag-gather ka ng tao, magpe-present ka. No, online network marketing na po tayo kung saan we maximize Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram to market for us. So we partner with social medias at yun yung ituturo once that you join. Kahit may kilala ka or wala, through the social media platforms, you can build your dreams Like ako, if you will ask me, sa Pinas lang ba pwedeng gawin? My answer is no. Pwede po kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Like me, I have leaders from Germany, again from Europe, US, or even Australia. Kahapon may nag-join from Australia. And Southeast Asia, Middle East. So marami. But again, you can do this international or even local. Through social media. Through online network marketing. And since naghahanap talaga ako ng business, again, hindi na ako nag-traditional business, dumiretso na po ako sa network marketing. Yes, na-scam din po ako before, kaya mas naging smart ako this time. Ilang beses, 3 times po ako na-scam before ko mahanap yung forever ko. Before ko mahanap yung tamang company, community, of course, yung tamang mentors. Nakilala ko ang Elites Empire way back 2020 during pandemic time. I was so lost, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. But through Elites Empire, nabigyan po ako ng hope. And yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa lahat. Because fan po ako ng personality development ng mga training. So, yun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko. And first month ko, kumita po ako ng 6 figures. 6 months had passed and kumita po tayo ng first million. 8 months nakapagpalabas po ako ng sasakyan. And first year ko po dito, kumita po ako ng 5 million. Yes. And even ako, hindi ko po in-expect na ganun yung mangyayari. But again, may reason. Sinabi ko kanina, again, company, community itself, the system that they have, and the mentor. Kinonsider ko yun lahat before ako mag-join. And I'm so happy to share to you na yes, Elites Empire is a legit community under a legit company. If you will ask me, lahat ba na nag-join sa'yo kumita? My answer is no, hindi rin kasi hindi lahat gumalaw. Parang school lang yan. Hindi naman lahat ng pumasok at nag-enroll nakapagtapos because, again, you need to work this out. Hindi po ito yung maglalagay ka lang. Doon na po ako na-scam. Maglalagay ka lang, kikita. I'm here to tell you, hindi po siya talaga nag-i-exist. Wala pong ganon, Mars. Wala pong ganon. Hindi po siya nag-i-exist. Ang dapat talaga, you need to work this out. So, kailangan mo po talagang gumalaw. Again, di ba sabi nga, magbibuild ng team. Di ba, yun yung kailangan mo. Kasi kailangan mo talagang gumalaw. Kailangan pagalingin mo yung sarili mo. Paano yan mahihain ako? Kung yayaman ka ba, hindi mo lalakasan yung loob mo. Siyempre, oo. Sabi nga dito, pag makapalang mukha, kakapalang bulsa! So, yun siya. Kailangan mo talagang gawin yung business. So, kailangan mong kumilos. Another question sa akin, sa taas na ba yung kikita? Again, my answer is no. Kasi actually, mas marami pang nauna sa akin, pero mas kumita ako ng malaki. Kasi malaki rin po yung galaw ko. So, dito, hindi po tayo 15-30 ang kitaan. Hindi po tayo quincenas, katapusan. Hindi po tayo wage. Hindi po tayo employee dito. We are a distributor and we earn through commissions. So, kumikita tayo more people we share the business, more income that you're gonna have. But what's nice is tao na yung lalapit sa'yo. Yun po yung kinagandahan ng online marketing. Hindi na to traditional, ha? Kaya ko ba to gawin kahit may work ako? Again, my answer is, tcharan! Yes, pwede, even your part-time. And time will come, kasi mas lalaki na yung kinikita mo dito. Pag lumaki na yung kinikita mo, more than sa ano mo, you can shift. But again, it's really up to you. 2 to 3 hours a day of your time, pwede mo tong i-execute yung business na meron ka. But if you want to do this full-time, pwede rin. So, it's really up to you. Nasa sayo, if you want to do this part-time or full-time. And may nagtatanong dito, kailangan ba ng kapital? Yes! Wala na pong libre ngayon, kahit fresh air. May bayad na. May kapital dito and you can start with a minimum of 30,000 and you can upgrade if you want. Paano yan? Mahihain ako. Good news, kasi meron tayong mga trainings for that. Kailangan talaga yan, parang sa work, hindi naman agad, di ba? Alam mo, even sa school, pag first day mo, alam mo na, of course, meron ka ditong mga training, step-by-step guide, na susundan mo na kung saan, yun yung magpapadali sa'yo. But again, kailangan mong sundin, kailangan mong maging empty cup, lalo na if you're professional, you need to be empty cup. Ako ay cum laude from LaSalle, but I set aside that standard, that background na meron ako for me para pumasok kung ano yung tinuturo na meron yung Elites Empire. So, you need to humble down. Yun talaga siya para ka maging successful sa isang business. And that's it. If naghahanap ka ng signs, kung tama ba yung magiging desisyon mo, kung sinasabi mo na dapat umulan, maging puti ang uwak. Yung mga ganong signs na gusto mo. But I'm here to tell you, this video is enough sign for you to move forward. Kasi marami nang natulungan ng Elites Empire. And me myself, sabi ko nga, I only have one name and kailangan ko siyang pangalagaan. And I will not do this video. Hindi ako mag-spend ng time ko to do this video para lang mag-share ng isang bagay na hindi totoo. So, congrats kasi ang ganda ng nakita mo na community, Elites Empire. Kaya kung sino man nag-present sa'yo, balikan mo siya, makinig ka sa kanya kung paano gagawin, and gawin mo lang. And I can't wait na next time, story mo naman yung magbabago through the amazing community of Elites Empire. Kita-kita trading! And again, I recommend this amazing community, Elites Empire. I'm a proud networker under the amazing community of Elites Empire. So, kita-kits sa training. Excited ako na makita ka dyan. And I do really believe that you have the voice to be heard and the story to tell. And I can't wait na maging successful ka sa network marketing. See you sa Elites Empire!